What's up, guys? So I'm back with another video. This video is gonna be on how I do my Christmas photo shoot. So I'm taking a few pictures by myself for my Christmas giveaway. I'm doing a 12 days of Christmas giveaway, and I also wanted some Christmas content. So right now I'm about to go get my makeup done, and then I am going to start the shoot. I'm gonna use my other phone, gonna prop it up and just show you guys like a time lapse of how it went. I'll probably do a voiceover just to show you guys all the different poses and stuff. So stay tuned, and you guys get to see my whole day on how I do my own photo shoots. Make sure you guys are liking, commenting, and subscribing. Turn on your post notifications on your top left, and make sure you're staying in tune with the Glam Fam. Love you. All right. I'll let you know when I'm done. I'll probably FaceTime you. All right. Love you. Oh shit, it's raining. Let me get an umbrella. Right there, there's an umbrella right there. Thank you. It's fucking pouring outside. It's disgusting. What's up? So I'm at the makeup appointment. This is fucking makeup. She has to be like my favorite makeup artist thus far. I feel like she works the best on my face. I'm super excited. We're doing like a Christmas look. I'm gonna do the Christmas look for the giveaway. So y'all already know how that goes. I'm probably gonna start posting sometime like the second week of December, because I want to do it 12 days before Christmas, but I definitely want to make an announcement about the giveaway so everyone's aware of it. I gotta speak to my graphic designer and see like what she thinks I should put out and how I should put it out, and then I have more information. So I'll be back with my face done. I'll tell you later. I look like Felicia right now with these fucking braids. Once these shits come out, whew, I put. What's up, guys? So now I'm getting ready to shoot the Christmas shoot. I had to put some Christmas music on, and I'm about to wrap a box for a prop right now, and then I'm going to put a robe on and like some cute ears. See how this goes. My hair's a little sweated out. I hope that I can work with it. I can make it look fluffy or something in the pictures. Okay, I think I'm done with this vlog. I'm gonna do the outro, be out. I'm tired, I'm smoke. I don't know if I want to take off this makeup yet, it's too huge. I think I'm gonna rock out in it for a little bit. But I think I'm done with this glam. What's up, guys? So I just wrapped up the Christmas shoot. I'm super excited. Oh, I said I wrapped up a prop box. This is my prop box. It's one of my like boxes. And I wrapped it in like a minute. It's super cute. It was a really quick, fun, and easy shoot. The most expensive part about the shoot was the makeup. And the makeup technically I didn't pay for it because I gave her a sweater and she did my makeup. So affordable, fun. My boyfriend helped me. This was a braid out, no piece. This is my hair. JK, just on top. Again, thank you guys for watching on this video. I'll be posting all the pictures, well, some of the pictures I make the cuts on my Instagram at the Glam Plan. I love it. It's making me so fun. Well, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys are liking, commenting, and subscribing to my channel. I apologize for the background football. My man's successful football, so I can do the body, we gotta compromise. Before the shoot, he helped me. But yeah, so make sure you guys subscribe and let me know what videos you guys want to see. I want to put out more personal videos and stuff, so if you guys have anything in mind, let me know. Love you guys, and I'm out.